Welcome to Immigram. If you're a green card holder or someone who travels to the US often, this video is especially for you. Today, we're diving into a topic that many travelers are concerned about: secondary questioning at US airports. Whether you've experienced it before or are anxious about what it means, we're here to walk you through what happens, why it happens, and how to be ready for it. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on important immigration updates and tips. Understanding secondary questioning at US airports. When you arrive in the US, US Customs and Border Protection (CBP) agents may decide to conduct additional screening. This is known as secondary questioning. It's a standard process used when they need more information or time to determine whether you can be allowed entry. Secondary questioning is not an accusation or a punishment, it's simply part of the U.S. Border Protection Protocol. It often catches travelers off guard, but knowing what to expect can make a big difference. Why does secondary questioning happen? CBP officers may refer you to secondary questioning for several reasons. An inconsistency in your travel documents. A flag on your travel history. A random screening. Questions about your immigration status. Concerns related to national security or criminal records. Remember, being selected doesn't automatically mean you're in trouble. It's just a deeper look at your entry eligibility. Common questions you might be asked. Here are some questions officers often ask during secondary questioning. Where were you traveling? Officers want to verify the countries you visited and check your itinerary against your travel records. What was the purpose of your trip? They'll ask if the trip was for leisure, business, or another purpose. You may be asked to show documentation like hotel bookings or event registrations. How long were you gone? Extended absences may raise red flags about your ties to the US, especially for permanent residents. What is your job in the US? This helps confirm that you have ongoing ties to the country, including employment or residency. Do you have any criminal history? If there are discrepancies in your legal record, you'll likely be questioned further. Do you have any items to declare? Be ready to declare goods, gifts, or anything else you're bringing in that requires inspection. The most important thing is to answer all questions truthfully and confidently. Any hesitation or inconsistency could result in extended questioning. What happens during secondary questioning? Let's break it down with a real-life example. Jenna's story. Jenna is a green card holder who traveled to Europe for 2 weeks to visit family. Upon her return to the US, CBP officers took her aside for secondary questioning due to a mismatch in her travel dates. It turned out to be a simple clerical error: she had filled out the customs form incorrectly. Jenna stayed calm, explained the situation clearly, and provided her flight receipts and green card. After 2 hours, the officers cleared her and allowed her to continue her journey. What should you expect during secondary questioning? You may be cleared quickly if your documents and responses check out. Officers may request additional documentation to clarify your situation. In some cases, if your status is uncertain or you have unresolved legal issues, you might be detained for further review. Even in detention, it's important to remember, you have rights. You can ask for legal representation. Remain respectful and calm. Access information about your rights as a permanent resident. Legal help and support. If you face secondary questioning or anticipate it, it's always wise to speak with an experienced immigration attorney. Experienced immigration attorney can help green card holders and other travelers handle secondary questioning and immigration challenges. With the right legal support, you can avoid unnecessary delays and ensure your return to the US is as smooth as possible. Final thoughts. To recap, secondary questioning is common and doesn't mean you're in legal trouble. Be honest, stay calm, and bring relevant documents. Know your rights and don't hesitate to get legal help if you need it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to Immigram and activate the bell icon so you stay informed about immigration tips, updates, and advice. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.